In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask better questions in Microsoft Copilot. If you've ever typed a prompt and felt underwhelmed by the answer, this will help you turn vague requests into clear, targeted prompts that Copilot can nail every time. Let's start with being clear. The more direct you are, the better Copilot understands your intent. Instead of a broad prompt like, "Tell me about history," focus it to what you actually want, such as, "Explain World War II in simple terms." That small change tells Copilot the topic and the level of complexity. Avoid fuzzy phrasing like, "Help me with this." State the subject and the angle. If you're learning, say that. If you want a beginner-friendly view, ask for it. Clarity removes guesswork and keeps the response on target. Next, add details so Copilot knows exactly what to include. Think about audience, tone, and length. For example, write a short paragraph about climate change for students, sets the purpose, the size, and who it's for. You can also include a goal, like to spark discussion, or a constraint, like keep jargon to a minimum. Details don't complicate your prompt, they guide it. Quick note before we continue. If you're using Copilot as an app, there's a download link at the top of the description. If you prefer the web version, there's also a link at the top of the description, so you can jump right in. Now, specify the format you want. Format shapes the response structure so you can use it faster. You can say, "Give me bullet points," when you need a tidy list, or summarize in 3 sentences to keep things concise. If you need a paragraph, a short intro, or a conclusion, name it. When Copilot knows the container you want, it fills it more precisely. Finally, use follow-up questions to refine the result. Treat your first answer as a draft. Nudge it with prompts like, "Make it simpler," if it's too dense, or add examples when you need illustrations. You can ask for more depth, a different tone, or a shorter version. Each follow-up teaches Copilot what you value and steers the output closer to your goal. When you're clear, add the right details, specify the format, and follow up thoughtfully. You'll get clearer, more useful answers from Copilot with less back and forth. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.